Good morning, my awesome team. Happy 10th anniversary to each one of you. A decade is a very long time, and I'm so happy to see where we are today. This does not make me complacent, of course, but I'm so happy where we have reached. Definitely, we have seen two difficult years in this last 10 years, including last year. But I think this was a bitter fact which everybody had to accept. The global pandemic had affected almost every other company, and we were not an exception. But this time actually has forced us to think how can we utilize our time wisely so that in the long run we become more productive. Increasing a revenue cash reserve was difficult at this time, so we thought on horizontal growth. To use this time wisely, we had thought about three innovative platforms and invested in that, so that it helps us in the long run and form a three long-term customer for solution analyst. I am so happy to announce the launch of Taskopad.com. Taskopad.com is a platform which actually helps unorganized sector to be organized. With increasing focus of our government to be Digital India and our excellent marketing team efforts, I am more than confident that this product is going to be very successful product in a couple of quarters. We are very bullish about this product and have set a very aggressive target for us. We are actually in a no matter time going to compete brands like Asana.com and ClickUps. Sharing this announcement on the 10th anniversary is special. I'm so happy that my awesome team had given me this privilege to announce this news on our 10th anniversary. The list is long, but I would like to thank each one of the team members. Thank you Chandani, Anish, Dharmik, Dhaval, Dinesh, Jimit, Ketul, Pooja, Brushti, Ankit, Manit, Ishan, Rahul Patel, Stavan, Harshal, Ruchir, Jaideep Dobaria and Ruchika ma'am for giving me this such an awesome opportunity. As I've been always saying that my team is seriously awesome, and because of my team we are able to complete this very aggressive project in less than 3 months. I'm also thankful to Mr. Hiren Thakkar and Bhavesh Patel for their continuous on-time support and guidance to come up with such a neat and clean tool. I would like to invite Mr. Hiren Thakkar to share a little bit about Taskopad and Solution Analyst Strategic Partnership. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I am here present to you all our upcoming launching for Taskopad, which is basically a office management and task management, where you can manage all your work more effectively and help to you save a lot of time. With the help of Taskopad, you and your team can manage your day-to-day work, which help you to grow your business revenue and increase your customer satisfaction in the market. Our goal is to convert all the unorganized sector into an organized sector in all over the world. We have a very short and simple feature available, which are very easy to understand. Me and my whole team, that is Mr. Kalpesh Patel and Mr. Bhavesh Patel, co-founder of the company, as well as development team, support team and marketing team, have been working so hard over the past few months to be able to get where we are today and be ready to move forward with the existing new venture. In a short span of time, Solution Analyst has completed our product with their existing infrastructure, expertise, development team, support team and marketing team, who have a long run of the experience, has helped us to reach go to the fast market strategy. I really appreciate your dedication work toward the work. So thank you Solution Analyst for a phenomenal job. Taskopad is going to be a strategic customer for the Solution Analyst, which will be on long-term relationship and permanent customer. I hope that is going to be a successful story for both the companies. Thank you. Hoping the best for the success of Taskopad.
Thank you very much Hiren Bhai for your kind words. Now moving on to the next big major announcement. I'm also happy to announce that we are launching another very innovative group called Rejig Digital. Rejig Digital, it's a group which is actually focusing on automating almost any manufacturing plant. This is a niche group which is focusing on automations only. Regi Digital aims to convert business intents into outcome. With a series of well thought out product, the first product, which is named as LI, a remote assistant product, we are launching, or we have already completed that product, and we are working on phase 2 of that product. This is again also a big list of our team members who made this possible. But before I share those names, let me tell you one interesting fact, that there are companies like Vuforia, Chalk, who has been working on this product since very long. There are other competitors which have been working on such similar product for more than 4 years. They are still working on certain features which we have already completed. I'm so happy to announce that my awesome team has completed this such a technically challenging project in a record-breaking time of 3.5 months only. So a big round of applause for my entire team. And now let me share the list who has worked on this particular product. Thank you Chandni, Dinesh, Govind, Jatin, Mohit, Pankaj, Rohit, Utsav, Ankit, Ishan, Bhavesh Prajapati, Jolif, Rahul Patel, Harshal, Ruchir, Stavan, Jaideep and Ruchika ma'am for making this dream comes to reality. Thank you one more time, my seriously awesome team, to make this happen on our very special day, 10th anniversary. I'm also deeply thankful to Mr. Rajendra Patel, the visionary who has guided us on this important and very difficult product journey. With his subject matter expertise and guidance and attention to the quality, we have been able to achieve to the first product on time with success. With a series of further more products, I am seeing Regi Digital complementing solution analyst focus of automations. I would like Rajendra Patel to come forward and talk a little bit about Regi Digital's future and the vision.
I'm glad to inform you about the launch of Regi Digital, which is Next Gen initiative, where we build a product and platform which is helping our customers to solve those problems and the pain areas, where we convert customers' intent into an outcome. And this is something which is we are building and we have chose because digital transformation is on hype and it is real and it is gonna stay. So what we see, the leading organizations have already started building their practices on the digital platforms. We are helping our organization with our platform and solution spectrums so as they can leverage on that. We are talking about latest technology, which is IoT analytics, the digital transformation pertaining to automation, industrial automation I'm talking about. So these are all being converged on the same platform and we will be delivering this. Our customers are really we are ensuring that the customers will be benefited with this particular solution. The disruptive technology will help customer to deliver the outcome for a better productivity, cost effectiveness, and increase the profitability and reduce the losses. And this is the way where we will be helping them. Here, when we say the launch of the products which will be cut across various industry verticals and which is not specific to one customer, it can be the pharma, it can be manufacturing, it can be automotive, it can be chemical industry or any industry which is really we are delivering to them. Now coming to this solution spectrum, it's going to be a niche and it is going to be a latest technology which will be embedded. Just to give you some understanding about the product which we are going to launch is a remote assistance, which is first, which is an allied product from our end, where we will be using latest and greatest technology like AR, embedded AR and VR based solution, with which we will be helping them to solve the problem remotely, where we are helping them to utilize the skill which is available with them to ensure that they deliver and they really optimize the resources, and that is where the profitability, changing the customer experience and changing the way they are serving to the customers which will be there. Here we can do many such more use cases like quality inspection or like helping the resources who are there, who are not capable or who have a language barrier, that kind of things which we have done with the Ally as a product. There are many such products which will be also considered as an extension, because our solutions are going to be a modular, flexible and customizable. So when we say the connected assets and connected workmen, where we are talking about how the assets are being utilized effectively, because most of the investments are going on an asset, and 60% to 70% I would say. So how to really utilize them in a better way? We are helping our clients to consume our services in such a way so that they really achieve this objective of better utilization. We have another solution which is remote asset monitoring and the management, where we are connecting distributed assets which are distributed to various locations. We are connecting them and we are taking the health parameter and the process parameter in such a way so that we can do whatever things we can do in front of machine or in front of assets. And this is the way where we are helping our customer to reduce the downtime and have the more productivity and availability to cater to their customers. There are many such offerings like Industry 4.0, where it's harnessing the power of IoT analytics and the software capabilities, where we are converging process, business, the things and the products. And this is the way where we will be able to give them the virtual capabilities at a shop floor level. They need not to be there on a shop floor. They can do whatever things on a move and on the mobile. And that's where we will be helping them to have a better capacity utilization, more productive, reducing the cost and generating a revenue which is more profitable for them. And hence the Industry 4.0, which is new era which will be built for them to solve those problems and the pain areas which we have they have registered with us. Coming to the IoT analytics, data is a new oil and we are helping them to really generate the meaningful outcome from the data so as they can really make the actionable insight. With the IoT, the data which is coming from the various sensors and things and the machine and the processes, we are doing the data normalization, standardization and contextualization so as they can really see those KPIs and success factor on the screen, and with which they will be able to take those decisions immediately before it becomes too late. And that's where we have a complete product spectrum which is on the software as a service and platform as a service delivery, and with which we will be able to contribute to the customers at a great extent. We have a good team who has the domain matter expertise like industrial domain, we are talking about chemical, pharma, automotive, and we also have the technology stack developers which we are going to use to build our platform and the software. And with the great strength collaborative together, we will be delivering more relevant to our set of accounts or set of customers, and that's where we are contributing in such a way so as they are always ahead from the competition. And this is the way where we will be continuing our support. We will be keep coming out with because we are constantly eyeing on the emerging trends in technology, we will keep coming with such kind of solution which is helping industry and digital business and data driven business to really do the miracle. That's it. Let's collaborate and let's engage to have the better outcome for a long run. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rajendra Bhai, for sharing Regi Digital's vision. Now, last but not the least, I'm emotional and also happy to announce the formal launch of eNetra. eNetra does not need any introduction to asset team, but eNetra has remained our passion and will remain our passions forever. The best part of our solution analyst team is that we are a very strong technological team, but we also know our limitations. We know that if we try to reach each and every visually impaired and blind in India, it would take a lot of time and the success chances will be challenging. So to overcome these limitations and shortcomings, we are happy to announce that we have joined hands with the Frugood Volunteers and Distributor team. I'm thankful to Mr. Ashok Patel and Sangeeta Patel to join hands with us and accept eNetra as the sole priority and focus till the moment we become successful. With their wide experience in affiliate marketing and individual business development, I'm more than confident Frugood distributors and volunteers and eNetra will be successful in no matter times. It has taken some time for us to come up with a formal launch, but nevertheless, I would like to thank each one of us who has really contributed to eNetra. I am thankful to the eNetra app team, eNetra volunteers or guide team, Throughput Portal team, Knowledge Improvement Quiz app team, and to share the name of this large team, let me just start with Jeet. Thank you very much, Jeet, Rutul, Ankit, Darshan, Brijesh, Jai, Mayank, Raksha, Jai Kishan, Zayat, Jaideep Dobaria, Manit, Rahul Patel, Chandni, Malay, Mohit, Priyanka Gupta, Rishi, Sahib, Bhavish Prajapati, Ishan, Stavan, and Uchika ma'am. Thank you once more, my awesome team, to make this dream to a reality. In our long-term vision to make blind and visually impaired people's lives more delightful, I am sure this first successful step will give us good confidence. We have a vision which we want to cover in 2021, and I'm very confident that we will be there. So this is about eNetra. To know more about any of these innovations, please feel free to reach me or our project managers to know more about this. I would request each one of the project manager or each group to prepare one demo for our team once we resume our office. So with that, let me share a little bit how this is going to help in solution analysis in the long run. So the first way these groups are going to help us is in a service revenue, because solution analyst has developed and been a very instrumental part of these initiatives. The service revenue from these three ventures will remain with solution analyst only. The second way, because these are all unique ideas and the time to market has been extremely well, this will become a very successful case studies for us, and it will help us attract more customer. Third, solution analyst has been a parent group for all this initiative, and this actually makes solution analyst as a much bigger brand and will help us attract more enterprise customer. Now each of this group is being headed by industry veterans. They are having large experience, deeply penetrated networks, and good amount of subject matter expertise. With their guidance, the chances of this each group become successful are very high. And with that success, solution analysts will benefit in multifold. While we are focusing on the growth of these three individual groups, we also need to have equal or more focus on solution analyst growth as well. In order to do that, for next 2 quarters, I'm going to invest a lot in solution analyst sales and marketing teams and sales processes. Now, while handling these three clients come ventures and also taking charge of sales team, I will need additional help. So I'm happy to announce that Mr. Amit Singh Gohil, who has more than 21 years of experience, joining us our leadership team as a Chief Operating Officer starting from 1st Feb. I would like Amit to introduce himself.
Hi everybody, by records I am known as Amit Singh Gohil. I prefer being addressed as Amit. Well, first things first, a very big congratulations to each one of you on being a part of this big milestone of SA completing a decade in the business, and how each one of you have significantly contributed to make this happen. A very quick background about myself. I belong to Baroda, settled in Ahmedabad. In the last 21 years, I have worked with some great organizations, predominantly in the financial and the startup industry. And now in my 22nd year, I get this opportunity to work with another dynamic and fast-growing organization called Solution Analysts. Well, I've heard a lot about most of you. In fact, did get a chance to meet some of you at the SA office. Kalpesh and I have been discussing about some interesting initiatives to be rolled out in the year 2021 and 2022. And to make this happen, I look forward to working with each one of you and take SA to the next level. When I say next level, not only in terms of numbers, but to ensure that SA becomes the go-to brand for organizations across the globe. Well, that's pretty much from my end. I look forward to seeing you on the 1st of Feb. Thank you so much. Cheers. All the best.
Thank you, Amit, for your quick introduction. So we have 3 startups which we need to take care, and we also need to take care of solution analyst sales team growth. And I also my long-term goal is to focus on training, mentorship, and meditation. For the next 2 quarters, I'm going to ensure that all my energy is diverted to solution analyst sales team and this 3 group. Now, too many things to focus will make it challenging for me. So I have been so happy that Gaurav and Concentric Stable Leadership Team has helped me to reduce a little bit burden of focus and help me to manage my energy and focus. And they have accepted to run the show from now onwards single-handedly. Thank you very much, Gaurav, for allowing me to take this step, and I really wish Concentric a very, very successful year. And as I mentioned, I'm always there. You guys don't need me, but still I'm there. So just send an echo, I'll be there. Well guys, that's it for this year. I'm really eagerly waiting for all of you to join the team, and we'll have some celebrations over them once you are back in office. As always, I look forward for your dedications and hard work for us to be successful. I'm eagerly waiting for you all to join the office and have some celebrations. Thank you very much, team. Your teammate, KB.